Have you ever wondered why some people rise to the top while others stay stuck, even when they work just as hard? Jim Rohn, one of the greatest mentors in personal development, believed the answer is simple. Your life improves only when you improve. Today, I'm going to reveal how personal development becomes the ultimate key to success, no matter where you start, who you are, or what you've been through. Stay with me until the end, because the final insight is the one mindset shift that transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary results. 1. Success begins with who you become. Success, as Jim Rohn so often emphasized, is not a chase but a consequence, a natural byproduct of the person you are continually shaping yourself into. At the heart of his philosophy lies a powerful truth. The world doesn't simply hand you results, it responds to what you bring to it. Your habits, your discipline, your attitude, your ability to persist, your willingness to learn, and your openness to change all weave together to form the internal architecture of your future. Many people spend years hunting for opportunities, hoping for breakthroughs, waiting for luck, or searching for shortcuts. But Rohn flips this narrative entirely by reminding us that opportunities gravitate toward those who have prepared themselves to notice, seize, and maximize them. This is why growth is not an optional luxury. It's the central engine of transformation. When you refine your skills, whether communication, leadership, discipline, creativity, or resilience, you begin to attract circumstances that match those capacities. When you cultivate a mindset of responsibility rather than blame, of possibility rather than limitation, you become the kind of person who naturally uncovers solutions where others see problems. When you elevate your standards, you begin to operate in a sphere where average effort and average thinking no longer feel comfortable. And as you raise yourself, the world around you seems to expand accordingly. Better relationships, higher goals, deeper intuition, and unexpected opportunities start appearing as if they were waiting for you all along. Rohn's message invites you to stop viewing success as something external and distant, and instead as something that emerges from within, from the continual refinement of your character, your thinking, and your actions. Who you become determines what you notice, what you tolerate, what you pursue, and what you achieve. This process is not instant, nor is it meant to be. It is a daily sculpting of the mind and spirit. Every time you choose growth over comfort, learning over excuses, discipline over impulse, and intention over randomness, you're building the kind of inner foundation that success recognizes. Your progress compounds quietly. Skills sharpen, habits strengthen, confidence grows, perspective deepens. Slowly, then suddenly, you cross into a higher level of possibility, and because your identity has expanded, your future inevitably follows. Rohn's timeless wisdom reminds us that success is not a matter of chance or circumstance, it is a matter of becoming. And as you become more capable, more disciplined, more aware, more skilled, and more aligned with your values, everything around you begins to reflect those inner changes. Doors open, people appear, ideas surface. This is not magic, but the natural rhythm of personal development. When you grow, everything else, your relationships, your opportunities, your results, has no choice but to grow with you. 2. The power of daily discipline. Daily discipline may appear small, almost trivial, especially in a world that glorifies sudden breakthroughs and dramatic transformations. But Jim Rohn understood that the true shaping of a life occurs not in monumental moments, but in the accumulation of tiny, consistent actions. Discipline is the unseen force that quietly directs your trajectory long before the results become visible to anyone else. When you read for 10 minutes a day, you're not just turning pages. You're feeding your mind new patterns, ideas, and perspectives that gradually shift your thinking. When you exercise even lightly, you're reinforcing self-respect, vitality, and longevity. When you practice gratitude, you train your mind to focus on possibility rather than scarcity, strengthening emotional resilience. These small habits seem harmless to neglect, which is why so many people underestimate their power. Skipping one workout or one reading session or one moment of reflection feels insignificant in the moment. But Rohn warns that neglect also compounds. Missing small tasks today becomes indifference tomorrow, and eventually a lifestyle of drifting rather than directing your future. Discipline is the bridge, the structure that connects your intentions with your outcomes. Without it, goals remain wishes. With it, desires become achievements. The magic lies in consistency. Doing a little each day, not because of immediate reward, but because you understand the long-term consequence of these choices. Over weeks, months, and years, discipline builds a reservoir of strength that spills into every area of your life. It forms the backbone of confidence because you begin to trust yourself. You learn that you can depend on your own actions, your own follow-through. This relationship with yourself is one of the most powerful assets you will ever develop. And as this inner trust deepens, your sense of possibility expands. You stop doubting whether you can accomplish something and instead ask how you can, because you have proof of your consistency. Daily discipline also creates momentum. The more you show up, the more natural it becomes to keep showing up. Small victories breed bigger ones. What was once effort becomes identity. And that shift, from doing disciplined things to being a disciplined person, is where transformation solidifies. Rohn understood that discipline is not punishment nor restriction. It is liberation. It frees you from the chaos of impulses, from the weight of procrastination, from the stress of drifting aimlessly. It gives structure to your aspirations and power to your dreams. Every great achievement, no matter how grand, is built on a foundation of daily habits practiced quietly and faithfully. So whether it's 10 minutes of learning, a few pages of reading, a short workout, or a moment of intentional planning, these small steps create a life that compounds in your favor. In the end, discipline shapes not just what you do, but who you become, and who you become determines the future you create. 3. Your environment shapes your destiny. Jim Rohn's famous observation that you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with invites a deep reflection on the power of environment and association. Human beings are profoundly influenced creatures. We absorb the beliefs, expectations, behaviors, and emotional states of those around us far more than we realize. Your environment silently trains you every day. If you surround yourself with people who complain, blame, or settle for mediocrity, you begin, almost unconsciously, to mirror their thinking. Standards slip, ambition fades, your vision narrows. But when you consciously choose to place yourself among people who challenge you, who think bigger, who pursue excellence, who hold themselves accountable, your life begins to elevate in response. Inspiration becomes normal, growth becomes expected, momentum becomes shared. Rohn's insight goes beyond social circles. It applies to the books you read, the information you consume, the spaces you inhabit, and the habits you witness. If your environment is chaotic, your mind absorbs chaos. If your environment is orderly, your thoughts gain clarity. The people you associate with are not neutral. They are either pulling you forward or holding you back. And often, the subtle influence of environment is more powerful than any burst of motivation because it works continuously, shaping your identity over time. When you align yourself with ambitious, disciplined, optimistic, and growth-oriented individuals, their mindset begins to influence your own. You adopt higher expectations, not by force, but through natural exposure. You witness what's possible. You learn new strategies. You gain broader perspectives. You start aiming higher because excellence becomes normalized. The right environment doesn't just inspire you, it elevates your baseline. It makes success feel attainable and progress feel natural. This is why changing your surroundings can often spark dramatic changes in your life. Sometimes a single conversation with the right person can ignite clarity that years of struggle could not produce. Sometimes simply removing one negative influence can open mental space for growth. Your environment is a living ecosystem that constantly interacts with your aspirations. If the ecosystem is supportive, nurturing, and growth-driven, your potential expands. If the ecosystem is draining or limiting, even the strongest desire can wither. Rohn's message is a call to evaluate your associations with honesty and courage. Who challenges you? Who inspires you? Who models the kind of life you want to build? And equally important, who drains your energy, narrows your thinking, or dims your ambition? Elevating your environment is not about judgment, it is about alignment. It's about placing yourself in spaces where your best self is encouraged, expected, and reinforced. When you choose an environment that supports your dreams, success stops feeling like a lonely uphill battle. It becomes the natural outcome of the influences surrounding you. Destiny does not unfold in isolation, it unfolds in context. And when you choose the right context, your future begins to expand in extraordinary ways. 4. Personal development builds confidence. Growth creates courage. When you learn, practice, and improve, you naturally feel more capable. Confidence isn't given, it's built. And once you trust yourself, you stop fearing failure and start chasing bigger dreams. True confidence is not a loud declaration or a performance for the world. It is a quiet, steady belief that you can rely on yourself when life becomes challenging. Personal development functions almost like an internal architect, slowly shaping the structure of your self-worth through deliberate progress. Every new skill you acquire, every fear you confront, and every small discipline you cultivate becomes another brick in the foundation of your inner strength. People often imagine confidence as something you are born with, as if some individuals simply emerge from the womb with it fully formed. But in reality, confidence grows the same way a tree does, through consistent nourishment, time, and exposure to difficulty. When you challenge yourself, even in small ways, learning a new language, exercising regularly, reading a book outside your comfort zone, you prove to yourself that you are capable of improvement. This proof becomes emotional evidence, and emotional evidence becomes belief. Over time, that belief transforms into confidence, and once confidence begins to take root, something remarkable happens. Your tolerance for uncertainty expands. You no longer see failure as a verdict against your worth, but as a temporary step in the process of mastery. You stop avoiding challenges and begin inviting them, knowing that every difficult situation is another opportunity to strengthen your character. Personal development also instills a sense of autonomy. Instead of waiting for the world to validate you, you learn to validate yourself through action and effort. You begin to understand that you control who you become, which is one of the most liberating realizations a person can have. With this sense of agency, you stop comparing yourself to others and focus instead on becoming a better version of who you were yesterday. And that shift, from external comparison to internal growth, removes a tremendous amount of anxiety. Confidence thrives when your attention is on progress, not perfection. It thrives when you forgive yourself for mistakes, when you try again after setbacks, when you show up even on the days you don't feel motivated. Over months and years, this steady self-investment compounds, turning small habits into major transformations. Before you know it, you become someone who trusts their abilities, respects their own potential, and moves through life with a resilient sense of self-assurance. That is why personal development is not merely optional. It is essential. It is the lifelong cultivation of courage, competence, and clarity. And once you begin this journey, you develop a confidence that does not crumble under pressure but grows stronger because of it. 5. Success requires constant evolution. Life never stops changing, and neither should you. Personal development is not a one-time project, it's a lifelong journey. The more you evolve, the more opportunities you attract, and the more equipped you become to handle challenges. The world moves at a pace that demands adaptability. Technology shifts, cultures transform, industries rise and fall, and the values of society continually reshape themselves. If you remain static while everything around you moves forward, you eventually find yourself out of sync with the possibilities life offers. That is why growth must be continuous. Success is not something reserved for those who simply work hard. It belongs to those who learn how to adjust, reinvent themselves, and expand their capabilities over time. When you commit to constant evolution, you are essentially staying in a state of readiness. You remain open to new knowledge, new experiences, and new ways of thinking. This openness makes you more innovative, more resilient, and far more likely to seize opportunities that others overlook. For example, people who continue learning even after formal education are often the ones who adapt quickest in times of uncertainty. They are not confined by old limitations because they consistently challenge themselves to rise above them. Personal development also helps you release outdated beliefs and habits that no longer serve you. As you grow, you begin to recognize patterns, mental, emotional, or behavioral, that hold you back. You start shedding the old version of yourself to make room for a more capable one. This shedding process is often uncomfortable because it requires honesty, vulnerability, and the willingness to admit that you don't know everything. But discomfort is not a sign of failure, it is a sign of evolution. Every stage of growth demands that you step into a new level of awareness. Success also requires a sharp understanding of timing. The world rewards those who can anticipate change, prepare for it, and adjust their path accordingly. Continuous personal development helps you develop this strategic awareness. You begin noticing subtle shifts in your environment, trends in your industry, or changes in your own life that signal the need for adaptation. Instead of reacting to life, you start proactively shaping it. This proactive mindset is one of the most powerful advantages a person can cultivate. Constant evolution also protects you from stagnation, which is one of the greatest threats to success. When you stop learning, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, life begins to feel repetitive, uninspiring, and constrained. But with continuous development, each chapter of your life becomes richer, more meaningful, and more aligned with the person you are becoming. It ensures that success is not merely achieved once and forgotten, but sustained and expanded over time. Ultimately, lifelong evolution is the engine behind every great achievement. It keeps you sharp, curious, adaptable, and courageous. And in a world that rewards those who evolve, your decision to continue growing becomes the most powerful investment you could ever make in your future. Jim Rohn said it best: work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Because when you invest in yourself, everything else, success, opportunities, relationships, begins to transform. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, start today. Your future self is waiting.